Are you happy?
Not.
Of course. She said, of course, sure. Eva, are you happy?
No way.
Manchimiday. Hello. Hello guys! Today, andito po kami ngayon sa KFC! Ayan! So, kakain po kami ng KFC kasi nag-craving ako at saka si Mrs. ng KFC ng fried chicken. Tingnan natin yung fried chicken guys. Yung dish na or fried chicken. So, konti lang po yung ating in-order no? Kasi kung nag-craving na naman tayo, ano? Tsaka meron tayong burger guys. So, after po natin kumain ng KFC guys ay pupunta po tayo sa TrueMove shop kasi si Mrs. ay gustong-gusto niya talaga ng bagong new phone. Ayan. So, bibilan po natin siya ng new phone. No? So, stay tuned guys. Ano nga bang phone ang bibilin ko para kay Mrs. Kasi yung cellphone niya medyo mabagal na. Alam niyo naman pagka tumatagal na yung cellphone is medyo mabagal na. Tapos yung cellphone niya na yun ay ibibigay niya sa kay mother-in-law kasi may mother-in-law wala na talaga guys. So ito medyo okay pa kaysa dun sa kay mother-in-law. So yun po ibibigay po yung luma niyang cellphone tapos si Mrs. ay bibili ng bagong phone. So stay tuned po guys. Hey Eva! She want to drink milk and sit down because she want to look around, but she need to lie down so she can get the milk. Cheers! Okay, cheers! Oh, good. So, tapos na po ako kumain. So, ngayon si Mrs. naman ang kakain. Yan. So, palitan kami, no? Si Eva ay nantok na. Nantok ka na, baby? Wait mo lang kasi bibili pa tayo ng bagong cellphone ni Mami. Okay? Tell them to subscribe to our channel. Aray, huwag ko yung live. Mami. Mami, say hi. Bye-bye. So, yun guys, at tapos na po kami kumain ng KFC at ngayon ay pupunta kami doon sa phone. Doon sa TrueMove na pagbibila namin ng bagong cellphone ni Mrs. Bye! Punta na kami ngayon doon guys para bilhan siya ng bagong cellphone. Let's go!
Baru phóng lên được ạ.
Ayan guys, nandito na po tayo ngayon sa TrueMove. Yan, True Jihaji 5G. Yan. Guys, wala sila nung gusto ni Mrs. na color. So, kailangan namin maghintay ng konti. Kasi, kinuha pa yung phone sa ibang shop. So, hintay kami ng couple of minutes para ano yung gustong color ni Mrs. What are you doing? Okay. Wow.
Cho khá rồi. Cho khá rồi. Cho khá rồi. Nhả.
I think Everin is bored now. Are you bored?
Ngon là gì?
You bored? Okay, we're back here at TrueMove. TrueMove. All right. Okay, we're here now at TrueMove. And this is the phone that she wanna buy. Wow, it's an iPhone. Oh my God, she's buying an iPhone. That's so expensive. Oh my God, baby, help me. Help daddy. Help daddy. Daddy no have money. Help me. Smile. No, smile.
มีตังค์หรือว่าจะ
What are you doing? So, patay na naman ako nito guys. Grabe. Yung iPhone talaga yung gusto niya. Patay yung busa natin ito. What? Ito naman makulit naman to si Eva. Kanina pa ito nag-board eh. Gusto lang umuwi. Gusto lang matulog. So, yung price na po guys is 33,000 baht. 33,084 baht yung price. Tapos, meron siyang kambabayaran every month na internet niya na how much internet every month? 1,002. Okay, papalagay natin na 1,200 baht per month, 1 year. So, yun po yung package niya, no? So, yung bayad niya sa 33,000 baht. Grabe mahal. You happy? Okay. Happy wife, happy life. But this one, I don't know what happened to this little girl, but she want to go home. She wanna sleep. Wait a moment, baby. Okay, let's just fix this phone of your mom, and we go home. All right? All right?
ห้ามบ่นห้ามนี้ห้ามบ่นห้ามบ่นห้ามบ่น
สีบูไทเทเนียมนะครับ ความจำ128 นะ
ว้าว
เดี๋ยวนี้รบกวนเช็คตัวเครื่องให้หน่อยนะครับ มีรอยติดขอดอะไรไหมอย่าเพิ่งเปิดเครื่องนะแกะหน้าจอได้เพราะมันเป็นแบบนี้อยู่แล้วลูกมันเป็นแบบนี้
โอเคค่ะ
And
โอเค
okay, she's checking the phone.
มีเหรียญขออนุญาตเปิดเครื่องนะ
Talaga yung face ni Mrs. na sobrang saya siya, no? Bago na siyang phone, meow.
ไม่ถึงว่ารับประกัน7 วันหมายถึงว่าไอ้ตัวรับประกัน7 วันคนดูผ่านมันไม่เลย
มันไม่กลับสักทีมันไม่นี่กันในสมบัติไม่ได้ในสมบัติไม่ได้มันลด400จะต้องดูนี่ด้วยนะแล้วในสมบัติ
Oh, ang ganda ng phone, guys, oh. Palit na kaya kami ni Mrs. Let's exchange. You want? No? I like the color, guys. Nice. Magsimida. Hello.
พุ่งอยู่แล้วปฏิบัติเขาเดี๋ยวนี้ ขอได้ครับเดี๋ยว
มึงซื้ออะไร
อ๋อ ให้คุณแม่ก็ได้
แม่ใช้ไม่เป็น
โอเค ว้าว congratulations for your new iPhone
ไม่ลืมเลยโอเคซิมตัวซิมอยู่ในเครื่องนะครับเรียบร้อยไม่เป็นไร
เวลาแค่นี้เนาะ
จ้า
ขอบคุณค่ะ
ครับ. So ngayon ay kami ay magpapaano ng frame sa kanyang phone para safe yung bagong cellphone niya.
บ่นไรแล้วเสร็จแล้วลูกเสร็จแล้วอ๋อนะรอมาตั้งนานแล้วก็รอต่อไปอีกนิดได้ไหมเรารอมาตั้งนานแล้วก็รอแม่อีกแป๊บนึงได้ไหมเราหลังได้แบบนี้นะพี่เชื่อมันเป็นทรายมันเรียบไม่ได้มันก็หายไปเองกับเวลาตึงขอบคุณค่ะเป็นไฟยังไง
Last station guys, bibili kami ng case para sa kanyang bagong phone. Ayan, kasi doon medyo mahal yung case doon kaya dito na tayo sa medyo mura lang. Ayan.
ใช่เหรอคะอันนี้ก็ใช่เหรอ
ใช่จ้ะคุณอาจารย์เสร็จหมดแล้วจ้ะพี่
เอามาติดกันปัดโบว่าทำไมมันแปลก
เสร็จหมดแล้วจ้ะ
ๆไม่เป็นไรค่ะ
ใส่เลย yes. Kasi yung case doon guys is 300 mahigit yung case, dito 100 lang. So dito na lang kami nag-ano ng case bumili. So ngayon guys, tanongin natin si Mrs. kung happy ba siya. Are you happy with your new phone? Huh? Are you happy?
แน่นอน
Of course, she said of course, sure. Eva, are you happy?
no way
I think she's very sleepy now. She get bored now. And now we're heading back home. So thank you for watching. And remember guys, happy wife, happy life. So stay tuned lagi guys and see you again on our next vlog. So what do you crap? No. Bye.